Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today I want to talk to you about something incredibly important, yet often overlooked, our kidney health. You see, our kidneys are vital to our overall well-being. They're our body's natural filtration system, tirelessly cleaning our blood, balancing minerals, and managing fluids to keep us in top shape. But there's more to it than just filtration. Our kidneys are essential for regulating our blood pressure, ensuring our bones are strong by helping to manage calcium and phosphorus levels, and they even play a crucial role in producing red blood cells. Now, you might be wondering, why is kidney health so crucial? Well, without properly functioning kidneys, our body's delicate balance is thrown off. We face a host of complications, from hypertension to weak bones to anemia. It's clear that keeping our kidneys healthy is fundamental to maintaining our overall health and quality of life. But here's the good news. Maintaining kidney health is more straightforward than many of us think. It starts with hydration. Drinking enough water is key. Then there's diet. Eating a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, while limiting salt and processed foods, can make a huge difference. And let's not forget about regular exercise and avoiding substances that can harm our kidneys, like excessive alcohol and tobacco. But today, I'm here to share with you 6 common foods that could be harming your kidneys without you even knowing it. Kidneys play a crucial role in filtering waste from your body, so it's vital we take care of them. Let's get started and uncover these foods together. 1. High-sodium foods, like processed meats, canned soups, and fast food. First on our list are high-sodium foods. While salt is an essential mineral for your body, too much sodium can increase blood pressure, causing stress on your kidneys over time. Foods like processed meats, canned soups, and fast foods are often loaded with salt. High blood pressure is a leading cause of kidney damage as it forces your kidneys to filter more blood than usual, wearing them out prematurely. Tips: try to cook more at home using fresh ingredients and season your dishes with herbs and spices instead of salt. 2. Artificial sweeteners, like diet sodas and sugar-free products. Routine consumption can lead to changes in the kidney's filtration ability. Tips: opt for natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup in moderation, and always stay hydrated with water instead of diet sodas. 3. Red meat. Number 3 is red meat. Consuming large amounts of red meat can increase the risk of developing kidney stones or lead to a more rapid progression of kidney disease. This is due to the high levels of protein and fat found in red meats, which can strain your kidneys if consumed in excess. Tips: incorporate more lean proteins and plant-based meals into your diet to reduce the strain on your kidneys. 4. Dark-colored sodas. Our fourth offender is dark-colored sodas. Not only are they high in sugar, but they also contain phosphorus additives, which can harm kidney health. Excessive phosphorus can put stress on your kidneys as they work to filter out this mineral from your blood. You might replace sodas with kidney-friendly alternatives like water, natural fruit juices, or herbal teas. Tips: cut down on soda consumption and choose beverages that support your hydration and overall health. 5. Fifth on our list are dairy products. In moderation, dairy is not a concern, but in excessive amounts, it can lead to an increase in calcium in your urine, which is a major component of kidney stones. High dairy consumption can also put pressure on your kidneys due to its high protein and fat content. Tips: consider limiting your dairy intake and exploring non-dairy alternatives that are lower in protein and fat. 6. Foods high in oxalates, like spinach, beets, and nuts. Oxalates can bind with calcium in your urine, leading to stones. Ensure you're consuming a balanced diet and drinking plenty of fluids to help dilute your urine and reduce the risk of kidney stones. By making these conscious choices, we can support our kidney health and enhance our well-being. It's about making small, manageable changes to our lifestyle that can lead to big improvements in our health. So, I encourage you to join me on this journey to better kidney health. Let's take these steps together towards a healthier, more vibrant life.